SCP-188 is classed safe, yet storage unit J6455 is not left alone. Every survey treats the nearby room as evidence that must be reversed. The object itself is a small iridium cylinder, less than 3 centimeters long. Nothing in the metal explains why the space around it keeps changing. Its first visible work is small and physical, scratches on surfaces, dust gathered into shapes, and ordinary material arranged as if by a patient hand. The changes do not appear as one burst. They emerge over time, spread through the region, and keep rearranging into structures too deliberate to dismiss. Under closer inspection, the same effect reaches tiny scales. The structure is not just broad marks on the wall, but intricate detail in the smallest traces. Early records favored fractal motifs. Later, spirals and flow patterns appeared, with rare biological forms recorded as motifs rather than living things. The affected region can extend outward as the environment is altered. Testing, however, places that reach near a bounded area of about 4,000 square meters. A Faraday cage did not stop it. Radiation containment did not stop it. Powdering and melting the iridium still failed to diminish the regional effect. One proposal would vaporize SCP-188 and recondense small portions of the vapor. The source records it as exploration, not as a solved result.
Before Foundation classification, a predecessor body founded in rural Indiana during the 1920s. It was a spike, partly submerged in the ground.
The spike was reshaping the wheat around it, braiding stalks together and flattening them across many meters. At that stage, no clear pattern had formed.
Concrete and lead sheaths failed. SCP-188 carved them apart, while more extreme ideas, including diamond encasement, remained proposals with no recorded follow-up.
When the parent organization folded into the Foundation, the object and its records came with it. Earlier outdoor test documents became part of the SCP-188 file.
The crop circle comparison was investigated and rejected. Foundation records found no real connection beyond superficial similarity, only coincidence. SCP-188 remains safe because its threat is indirect and bounded. It is still active, still studied statistically, and still not explained or ended.